5 idioms and phrases
that you can use to boost your speaking band scores.
So the very first is an arm and a leg. It means too expensive.
I recently purchased an iPhone and it really cost me an arm and leg.
So the second one is piece of cake, which means very easy.
Learning something new is a piece of cake for me.
Moving on to the third one, never judge a book by its cover, which means we should never judge a person on his or her appearance as it could be misleading.
Don't judge a book by its cover. He is intelligent.
Next is pulling your leg, which means joking or teasing somebody.
Don't take it personally, I'm just pulling your leg.
So the last one is heat of the moment. It means speaking something without thinking.
In the heat of the moment, I reveal a secret of my friend.
So to learn such interesting idioms and phrases,
Join ACEA Global today.